Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create an account on Hinge. First you have to click on the app Hinge and click on the create account and type your number. Now the cloud OPT will send you the digit code, so you have to simply click that digit code on the create account and choose the options, and like this you have to write your name and your last name and your email ID. You have to write the birthday date and you have to press confirm. Now you have to add your basic info for the matches. Now you have to set the location where do you live, like this in the map, and click on the go button and you have to choose the gender which you are and choose the option. You can simply click on create your profile and choose the video and photos if you want and click on finish now and add the profile answer if you want and click finish now, and you can click maybe later or check it out and click on start sending likes, and like this your account will be made. Thank you guys, hope you like it.